Let's turn now to Linda from Pinson. Linda, so glad that you are staying up late with us tonight. How can we help you?
Yes, I have a question.
Sure.
I was diagnosed with breast cancer, and I did use a relaxer for a long period of time. So I was just wondering, would that qualify?
As I mentioned earlier, that some of the stronger cases involve uterine cancer, ovarian cancer, and endometrial cancer. But that doesn't disqualify. I'm not saying it disqualifies breast cancer. So what I would do is reach out to your attorney and make sure you let them know your injuries, what they were, and they will let you know what criteria you need to meet. But the science is changing all the time. It doesn't mean that your injury disqualifies you from this suit, but just some of the stronger injuries that we've seen are the three that I mentioned. But make sure you just check with your attorney.
Yeah, I mean, you make a great point. A lot of the drug cases that we see, a lot of the class action type drug cases that we see, or even chemical type cases, what happens is because, like we talked about earlier, this is in its infancy. So the research is ongoing. So some things that we think may be caused by this today may not be. But then it may be learned through experts and testing that something like breast cancer is. So it's one of those things where you don't need to dismiss it just because it's not one of the main things that we're looking at. So I would say preserve your rights. Everybody out there needs to preserve their rights